So financial markets were again kept back from the edge by continuing containment of the Hamas-Israeli conflict. Oil prices, bond yields, and the gold price have all stabilised at elevated levels. We've got a busy week ahead for macro data. We get German inflation and GDP data today, Japanese interest rate decision, and EU GDP and inflation data tomorrow. Then we get US job openings data, the JOLTS report, and a Fed rate decision on Wednesday, followed by the Bank of England on Thursday, and finish the week with the US non-farm payroll data on Friday. So lots of measurement points for the world economy for people to conjure with, but I suspect most eyes are going to remain on the potential for escalation in the Middle East. In the UK, we've got it's a typically pretty quiet Monday. A couple of things I've been looking at this morning. Chrysalis, the investor in privately held unicorns that could become listed companies, shares continue to trade around a 60% discount to the portfolio's appraised NAV. Had a quarterly NAV update and trading update. Over the period it reported a decline in its NAV of just 2.2% and has 30 odd million pounds of liquidity. As distinct from previous times it's updated, I would say its comments around the prospect for being able to IPO some of its investments slightly more muted than we've heard of late. So I don't think there's really much to add on that one. I guess the headline grabber today will be from a B2B media company, Ascential, that has announced the proposed sale of its businesses in Digital Commerce and WGSN for a total enterprise value of 1.4 billion. Now, Ascential started today with a market cap of just £1 billion to announce the sale of two of its three operating divisions, which will give it cash proceeds of £1.2 billion, and leaving it with an events business that I've seen estimated to be worth between 750 million and £1 billion. So unsurprisingly, the shares opened sharply higher today. They're up 35% when I last looked. So having sold one business to a trade buyer and another business to private equity, Ascential is really demonstrating the hidden value sitting in listed UK companies today.